filming.
Do you want some lemon?
It's all live.
Oh, tasty.
Just put it in front of her mouth. She'll just have it.
Oh, she's gonna try
This is going to take ages.
She'll try it.
Yeah, but she's going to suck the wrong end of it. You're just going to have to take it on the chin and put it in her mouth. Give it more. But nice, Ellie Bean.
Mom?
Yeah? But nice, sweetheart.
It's like it's only just registered.
Is that the last aftershock?
Is that nice?
You okay, Ellie Bean? You okay? A good girl. Yeah.